Welcome to our video on what business licenses are needed in Maryland, presented by startingyourbusiness.com. This video is a part of a series of videos on starting a business in Maryland. Starting a business in Maryland may require licenses or permits from a variety of several city, county, state, and federal agencies. This video is a brief overview of the most common licenses, permits, and registrations a business may need, but it may not include all of the ones needed for your business. More detailed information and links to all of the agencies mentioned in this video are on startingyourbusiness.com. The first registration you may need to get is the Employer Identification Number, sometimes known as an EIN with the Internal Revenue Service. This is a unique identification number for a business, much like what a Social Security number is for a person. Businesses that are required to register include sole proprietorships with employees, partnerships, corporations, or LLCs. If you are a sole proprietorship with no employees, you can simply use your Social Security number. You can apply directly at irs.gov, and there is no cost to get the number. Getting the number takes only about 5 minutes, and if you have questions, we have a video on how to apply for an EIN on our site. Next, there is no general state business license in Maryland, but there are some industries that are required to register. A variety of businesses and professions in the state are regulated, such as restaurants, contractors, accountants, landscapers, and many more. Also, generally speaking, physical products sold at retail are taxable within Maryland, and you will need to register for the Sales and Use Tax License from the Comptroller of Maryland. So if you sell a pair of shoes from your store, you would charge the customer sales tax, which varies depending on where your store is located. Services in Maryland are generally not taxable. More information about sales taxes are on our site. Last, at the local level, some municipalities may require a business license or have requirements for certain professions, zoning, construction, signage, liquor licenses, etc. Make sure your business secures all licenses in advance of finalizing a location, as some will take some time to get approval. Finding the correct person to talk with in your community may take a few calls, but just start by contacting your town's mayor, city hall, or economic developer and let them know you plan on starting a business and if you need to register. Don't be worried in calling, as they want to help bring in new businesses, since businesses bring jobs and tax revenue to the community. For more information on how to get a business license for your business in Maryland, check out startingyourbusiness.com. If you like this video on what business licenses are needed in Maryland, be sure to watch the others in the Starting a Business in Maryland series. Starting a business can be difficult, but you don't have to do it on your own. The startingyourbusiness.com site has lots of information to help get your business started, and we have experienced business advisors ready to answer your questions at no cost.